Home remedies for itchy skin. Lemon. Mostly people use lemon to get rid of itchy skin. Lemon contains citric acid, which has grade A. Antiseptic, anti-inflammatory.Take the juice from 1 to 2 fresh lemons.Apply the juice on the affected skin area. Let it dry and then wash the area with lukewarm water.Repeat twice daily, until the condition improves. Petroleum Jelly. Petroleum jelly is suitable for skin and free harmful chemicals. It retains dryness and gives a moist to the skin. Apply it on the skin and wash it after 20 minutes. Repeat it after 2 days and 1 week. Fruit peels. There are many peels of fruits like banana peel, watermelon melon, orange rind, etc., are useful to lessen the itch skin and gives the comfort. Mud. In olden days, people use mud to remove itchy skin. 2 is very cheap way and easy way. Take a wet mud and rub into the body. After 15 wash the body. You will feel better. Cool water. Take a ice and wrapped in cloth and rub it on the affected area for 10 minutes. Wash the body with good soap. Repeat it daily for 2 weeks. Milk and honey. Take honey and milk in equal quantity and apply on the skin. Clean it off with water after 10 minutes. You can also take a milk bath once in a month.